Welcome! Look at how many ideas we're showing you today. The weather is starting to be nicer, and we thought this is the perfect time to make these kinds of activities. We've compiled some of our favorite ideas to play with water, and this is the result. We hope you like it. Let's do this. Today we teach you 5 games with water with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. The first idea are color mixing bags. We'll need water, clear Ziploc bags, tape, food dye, and glitter if you have it. What we're going to do is fill the bags with a little bit of water. And we will dye them with the primary colors, yellow, blue, and red. And we can add some glitter of the same colors. And now we close it with the tape to make sure that the water doesn't come out of the bag. And that's it! That's how easy it is to learn how the primary colors mix together. It's a super fun way for kids to learn this, because they can experiment with the bags while they learn what happens when these 3 colors get mixed. I promise they'll love this one. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to our channel. The second idea is colored foam. We'll need water, a plastic or glass tray, although I ended up using a smaller one, soap, food dye, a mixer, and a container to beat the mixture. Okay, so the amount of foam that you get will depend on the soap that you use. That's why my advice is to eye measure it. What we'll do is add a good amount of soap and a little bit of water, and we will mix it. As you can see here, it ended up being too watery. That means I have to add more soap. And keep mixing. We'll keep adding soap until we notice that the foam doesn't move when we move the container. And now what we need to do is dye different colors. We'll put a little bit in a cup, add the food dye, mix it, and when it has the color that we want, we start putting it in the tray. I'm trying to make a rainbow as always. Just like that, in under 5 minutes, we made a sensory play material that will motivate children so much. You can hide toys inside, touch it, mix the colors, make drawings on the foam. And if you have bigger trays, you can make more foam to play with. It looks so good and it's a very relaxing game. I'm sure that if you make it, you will want to take lots of pictures. Talking about pictures, do you follow us on Instagram already? If you don't, here is our profile. Let's go with the third idea, surprise balloon. We'll need water, balloon, water beads, and small toys. And we will put the water beads inside the balloon. You can do it like this, or put them in by hand. You can feel how many are inside. And now we put the small toys inside as well. This is optional because just with water beads it looks amazing. When it's ready, we fill it with water. Close it. And now we have to leave it to rest for a while so that the water beads have some time to grow. And then we put it in the freezer for 6 hours. And when we take it out, we take off the balloon. And look at how cool it looks with the frozen water beads. Children love this. Not only because it looks awesome, but also because it's a super fun sensory play for them. With some water pipettes, we can add warm water to rescue the little toys we put inside. With this, we also work on fine motor skills. They can try to take them out by hand, or let it melt while they play and then manipulate the water with the beads. Did you hit that like button already? And now for the next idea, we will make bubbles. We'll need water, dish soap, ice and sugar, a cup, and a spoon to mix everything, and a pipe cleaner to be able to blow the bubbles. What we'll do is add 4 teaspoons of water in the cup, 2 teaspoons of ice and sugar, and we're going to mix it very well until we can no longer see the sugar. And now we'll add 2 more teaspoons of dish soap. And we mix it again. And now with the pipe cleaner cut in half, I'm bending it like this to make the bubble wand. You can give it to your children like this, or put it in a bubble container if you have one so that it lasts longer. Let's make the last idea, looking in the water. For this idea, we need water, a clear tray, clear cup, food dye, paper, and a marker. And now on the paper, we can write whatever we want. Numbers, letters, shapes. We add a little bit of water to the tray. And we color it however we want. Keep in mind that the darker it is, the better it will look. And now we take the paper with the numbers and we put it under the tray and put in the glass on top. We can see them. As I said, this is also a very good and fun way for kids to review letters, numbers, shapes. We hope you like these 5 ideas. Now it's your turn to tell us which one do you like the most and which one are you going to try at home. And we also wanted to say hi to Marta and Gracia. They are 2 sisters that always watch our videos. Hi girls! We'll see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe. And you can also watch these videos from our channel. Bye!